Hello students, how are you all? Yes, fine. As we did in our earlier chapter, what is noun? So what we did? Naming words are called noun. So in this chapter, now we are going to study about pronoun. What is pronoun? Words used in place of noun are called pronoun. Repeat with me. Words used in place of noun are called pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, we. These all words are pronoun. Now we will take one example, that is we use he for boy. We use he, his, him, himself for boy. फर्स्ट इज ही इज अ बॉय, वह एक लड़का है. यस, फॉर बॉय वी आर यूजिंग ही. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, दिस इज हिज बैग, यह उसका बैग है. हेयर हिज इज यूज्ड फॉर अगेन बॉय. थर्ड इज आई नो हिम, मैं उसे जानती हूँ. हिम इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर बॉय. फोर्थ इज ही डिड इट हिमसेल्फ, यह उसने खुद किया है. अगेन हिमसेल्फ इज यूज्ड फॉर बॉय. सो व्हाट वी डिड? ही, हिज, हिम, हिमसेल्फ फॉर बॉय. Yes students, what we did? He is used for boy. Now we will study why we use she. She is used for girl. We use she, her, herself for girl. For example, she is a girl. वह एक लड़की है. Here we are using she for a girl. This is her bottle. यह उसकी बॉटल है. Again we are using her for a girl. Third sentence, I know her. मैं उसे जानती हूँ. Again here her is used for a girl. Last sentence, she did it herself. यह काम उसने खुद किया है. Herself is used here for girl. Yes students, what we have studied? We have studied we use he for boy and she for girl. Now we will study why we use we, our, us, ourselves. These words we use for I and any other person. For example, we are friends. हम friends हैं. सेकेंड इज दिस इज आवर स्कूल, यह हमारा स्कूल है. थर्ड इज लेट अस प्ले, चलो हम खेलते हैं. फोर्थ इज वी डिड इट आवरसेल्व्स, यह हमने खुद किया है. सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स वी, आर, अस, आवरसेल्व्स. These words we use for I and any other person. Yes students, we did. He is used for boy, she is used for girl, and we is used for I and any other person. Now we will study why we use they, their, them, themselves. These words are used for more than one persons. For example, first, they are best friends. वे सब अच्छे दोस्त हैं. So here they is used for more than one persons. Second, they have done their work. उन्होंने अपना काम खुद कर लिया है. Here again there is used for more than one person. Third is the children did this themselves. बच्चों ने यह काम खुद किया है. Again here themselves is used for more than one persons. So students, they, their, them, themselves. These we use words for more than one persons. Yes, students, we did he for boy, she for girl, they for more than one person, we for I and any other person. Now we will study why we use it itself. We use it itself for things, birds and animals. For example, it is a bag. यह एक बैग है. The tree fell down by itself. यह पेड़ अपने आप ही गिर गया है. Here, it and itself, these words we are using for different things. Again, we use it itself for things, birds and animals. Yes, now we will study about you. You means tum. We use you, your, yourself for girl or boy. It can be for anyone. It can be for a girl. It can be for a boy. For example, you are a girl. तुम एक लड़की हो. Here we can use boy in place of girl. You are a boy. तुम एक लड़के हो. Second sentence. This is your book. यह तुम्हारी बुक है. Third. You did it yourself. यह काम तुमने खुद किया है. Again, you, your, yourself. These words are pronoun. These words can be used for a boy or a girl. Yes, students, in this slide we will study about use of I, my, me, mine, myself. These words are also known as pronoun, and these words are used for first person. I means मैं. I am a good girl. मैं एक अच्छी लड़की हूँ. Second, this is my house. यह मेरा घर है. Third is, this book is mine. यह book मेरी है. Fourth, I have done it myself. यह काम मैंने खुद किया है. Again, I, my, mine, myself. These words are also pronoun. So students, what are the following words that we studied about pronoun? Words used in place of noun are called pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, we, you and I. These all words are pronoun. Yes, students, as we studied about pronoun, now we will do some examples of pronoun in the following sentence. First sentence is, the boy kicked the ball. Here we are using he for boy. We are using he for boy. Second sentence. A girl brushed her hair. Here she is used for a girl. She is used for girl. Third sentence. I read a book to her. Again here, her is used for my sister Kim. That is a girl. Fourth sentence. They ate lunch in the classroom. Here, they is used for the students, means more than one persons. So, what we are using? We are using they. Fifth sentence. I asked him to come over and play. Him here we are using for Tom, and Tom is a boy. Last sentence. I helped her to wash the car. Again here her is used for a girl. So as we studied, we are using these words, that is he, she, it, they, we, I, you for pronoun. So students, now you have learned a new thing. What is pronoun? Words that we use in place of noun are called pronoun. Thank you.